And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so glad you're back. I'm really loving doing these videos. I really enjoy doing it and I'm hoping you like watching them. If you are liking them, please do give them a big thumbs up, and I'd love it also if you subscribed in the box below. That'd be absolutely amazing. So today I am basically making my Christmas table centerpiece. So I am making it from scratch and I'm making a real one. It's not faux, it's real tree that I've got, which I just got from the garden centre. So I'm making my table piece and I thought I would bring you along the way. I've never actually made one before, so I am winging it a little bit, but you know, why not follow the experience, see how I get on or don't get on, and we'll go from there. But I've always wanted to make them. I'm quite creative. I like doing things like this, but I really don't know what this is going to turn out like. So yeah, follow me around and watch me do it. So these are all the items that I'm going to use. I will start you off at the very end. I got these are what I got from the garden centre. They are real. Well, yeah, they're like a Christmas tree, so they probably just chopped them off. So I got 2 of these just from Van Hayes. I can link it down below. And they were $6.99 each. I also got these little roses, which I thought would look quite nice in them because I'm trying to do a gold and red theme. That's what I'm working with. These were £6 each, so I got 3 because someone told me actually you should do everything in 3s and 5s. So I got 3 of those. These I don't know whether I'm going to use in them. I do want to use them somewhere. I originally thought I was going to put this on the table and then the fern on my fireplace, but actually the fern's too wide for my fireplace, so I might put this on my fireplace. But what I think I need to do is get a few more, but you never know, they might actually look really good in the centerpiece, so I've got them here just in case. These are candelabras. I need to get some new red candles so they're nice and fresh. I bought these from H&M. They were $12.99 each. Again, I got the second one. I thought I would have each end of the table to go with my gold and red theme. I just got some filler balls, tiny little balls. I think these were like, yeah, £2.50. I got some florist wire just from Amazon, so I can tie the balls up to the tree. I've got some battery powered LED lights. I have got 2 if I need them, but I thought maybe I would wrap the lights around them. I thought that could be quite a nice effect. And I've got scissors and I've just got some tea light holders just in case. I don't know, I just thought I'm going to have a play around with it and we'll see and get cracking.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I'm really happy with it. It has only really taken me 5 minutes. The only thing I might do is I might actually get some eucalyptus, and I need to get some more of these red candles because the other ones I burn. But I cannot wait to turn this on tonight, and so you can see what it looks like of an evening with the candles lit and the lights up. I am really chuffed with that. Really chuffed. Look at the... oh, I just love it. I mean, to some people this actually might be pretty rubbish and very basic, but actually for me, when you've not made anything before like this, I'm actually really proud of it.